Well, hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel, Mogem Tech, where we discuss smartphone, gaming, and technology. There is a discussion about the OnePlus that the company is working on a new budget smartphone and it can be launched in the Indian market under the name of OnePlus Z or OnePlus Nord. This smartphone will be launched in the Indian market on 10th of the July. However, the company has not yet revealed its name or feature. But before that, it has been clear that the upcoming smartphone will be available exclusively on Amazon. A dedicated page has been made live on OnePlus upcoming smartphone on Amazon India, which I have shared in the screens. In this page, the option of Notify Me has been given. By clicking on it, user can get notification related to the launch of the phone. However, the name of the phone has not been revealed on this page, but there are few questionnaires about the name. OnePlus has shared the link to their new Instagram account. It is clear from the listing that the upcoming phone will be available exclusively on Amazon India, and with this, user will get a chance to win multiple cashback prize as well. As per the rumor and as per the specification, this phone is expected to be the most affordable option for 5G devices from Amazon and from OnePlus in India. OnePlus Nord is likely to be the next smartphone by the OnePlus that kickstart the company's lineup of affordable mobile phones. A lower cost smartphone by the company has been in rumor for quite some time, but the company didn't officially acknowledge its existence until yesterday when it went live with the Instagram account dubbed as the OnePlus Z thing. The company's new Instagram account has been created under the name of OnePlus Z Lite thing, and this page indicates that the upcoming smartphone will be available in OnePlus Z or OnePlus Nord teal color option. The co-founder CEO of OnePlus, Pete Lau, has confirmed that the company's new ornamental smartphone will be launched first in India and then Europe. OnePlus is no new to the affordable smartphones. In fact, phones like the OnePlus One and OnePlus 2 were known as flagship killer, and the OnePlus Z is likely to follow the same route. According to the possible leaks, the OnePlus is likely to dub at Rs 25,000, which is roughly 24,999, and in the India. And it also reveals several features and specification of the phone. As per our previous information, OnePlus did register a trademark for Nord by the OnePlus back in the March earlier this year. As from the Instagram account that goes by the name of OnePlus Z Lite thing, it is become increasingly apparent that it's just a marketing term being used by the company that thus stems from all the rumors around the naming of the upcoming affordable smartphone. So let's heading towards the specification of this phone. So OnePlus Z or Nord will have a 6.5-inch AMOLED Full HD display with having a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels with having 295 pixel per density, with dual punch hole display, which is yet to be rumored, but punch hole display is confirmed. It having a 90Hz refresh rate screen with in-display fingerprint sensor, is likely to be protected by a 2.5D curved glass. It is having a support for HDR10 standard and color gamut as well. The smartphone is based on Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G SoC, which support for 5G. And this is the first OnePlus smartphone to launch with non-800 series chipset from Qualcomm. The processor will be clubbed with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and possibly there won't be any microSD card slot for additional storage expansion, but it is likely that they having several variants too. The OnePlus Z will also be the first smartphone from the companies with the 64MP primary camera accompanied by 16MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP depth macro lens. Just like the OnePlus 8, the device will have a 16MP selfie camera with the punch hole cutout, but it is yet to be confirmed that if it is going to be a dual punch, so it will be a 32MP plus 8MP dual camera. A 4300 mAh battery will be powered the smartphone with 30-watt fast wired charging support, and the phone might not support wireless charging or IP rating unlike the OnePlus 8 Pro. OnePlus is one of the few OEM that offers the clean UI, the Oxygen OS, without any ads. It is one of the selling point of the brands. If its leaks is accurate, then the new OnePlus phone is with a big battery, AMOLED display, great cameras, Android 10 OS with Oxygen OS over it, with a price range of 25,000 is sure to sell like a hot cake, especially in India. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please comment below your comments and in what topic you want my next video to be.